Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get some data from the Texas Department of Transportation to build a really simple map like this. It just has some of the main highways in Texas. I'm going to show you where I got that real quick. So, Texas Department of Transportation has this website. You can go in here and surf a variety of different data sets. There's all different categories of things that they deal with. If you're ever doing a data science project on Texas, or you're looking for anything, they have, airport boundaries. Like, we can click this and see what this data is like, and we can even see it on a map before we decide to export it and actually explore it first, right? So this is a statewide polygon layer of airport ownership boundaries, right? So if I zoom in here, I'll see that I have like Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. This is here on the map, and so what I could do is I could get those polygons. If I wanted to use that, I could click on this button and then I could download those files. So if you were ever doing some sort of project and you need this data, it's available here. I'll put the link below. So what I did was I just got the all these roadway polygons. Not polygons, lines, and I just got the download in a GeoJSON format. I'm going to show you in Python, like, to put this to use. This is pretty quick. So I brought in folium and geopandas, these two packages, and then all I did was I pointed to the GeoJSON file. And what's important to note is I just went over here on the left hand side, clicked on that little guy, and then click on upload to session storage. And then in your Google Colab, if you're working in Google Colab, you would upload the file, and then to get the path to that, you would just copy the path, and then you just put that in right here for your path. I'll put this code below as well. And then you would say, okay, cool, read that, and then make a folium map. And then it has a zoom level and a location. So these coordinates would be your center point location. And then you would add that data to the map, and then just M for map would display the folium map. So pretty simple. And you could do this with any data or combination of data. And then once you get it into this environment, you could then work on it, do different things, add data to it, all sorts of different things like that. So overall, I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. Just wanted to give you a quick little resource. Again, the links will be below to everything that I showed you. Just feel free to check it out and let me know what you think. Have a good one.